Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of Cardiff from Belletress from the City Collection in the color Macadamia Latte R. Let's have a look. Let's look at the cap construction. So we have a mono part that goes all the way back to the crown, extended lace front, velvet covered ear tabs, open weft sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. Right, so let's look at this color. I've never tried this color before. So let's see what that looks like. Has a slide root. Let me shake it first. And then let's put it on and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that hairline. First thing I notice is the hairline. That's a good start. Right. Let me take a comb. Oh, this is really pretty. These medium length styles are just so good for every day. So let's look at Cardiff from all sides. Oh, this is a really cute piece. This is just great for every day. Right, let's look at this lace front again. Look how well this is done. This is just amazing. And the part, I think I need to work on this part a little bit. I didn't quite open it up as much as I could have done. And this is a bit of a flopper, so I might have to add some heat to this piece here at the front. But this is cute. This is great. So tell me what you think of Cardiff by Belletress.